Welcome back! So far, out of our 10 contestants, one of them has died, contestant free. Because of this, alliances have been fractured and some have been made. So far, we have 3 main alliances: Alliance 3, Alliance 1, the Sigmas, and Alliance 2. Who shall win this now?
I survived. I'm alive. When am I alone? I thought I'd die alone.
I'm alive too. Did you forget about me? Ugh! I hate how bloody I am. It's staying my hair. I want to speak to this manager. I'm so mad.
Chill out. Come on, chill out. Meanwhile.
Come on, don't die on me, Nord. You saved my life, Nord. I can't let you die. I hear a noise. I hear someone's coming.
Sorry, I gotta do this.
I will make it. Go. No, Nord.
Our new contestant is dead. I'm sorry for killing you. Please, forgive me. I don't want to be a killer. I don't want to murder anyone. Please, forgive me.
Come on, we gotta go.
I gotta do something first, okay? Hey, would you like to join our team? Please. Please.
Fine, okay. I'll join you.
Me.
Hello. How did you survive that? How?
I just jumped into the river and I splashed down in the water. It was funny.
Meanwhile,
You also survived? Yeah. Hey dude, why are you bald now? The acid burned my hair off, but we have to make a plan. We gotta find others and kill. Meanwhile, hey, can we have a toast for friendship?
Why not? Let's have a toast to our friendship. Huzzah!
Well, let's continue singing. Wait, what's happening? To be continued.